In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Hi everyone and welcome. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to create a clean, accurate invoice using the built-in tools in QuickBooks Online. I'll keep things simple and explain what each field means so you know exactly what you're confirming before you save. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the big plus button near the top left or top center of the screen. It may be labeled New or Create depending on your layout. Go ahead and click that to open your Quick Actions menu. From the menu, under the Customer section, choose Invoice. This opens a new invoice form where you'll enter or confirm all the details that tell your customer what they owe and why. Start at the Customer field and select the correct customer name from your list. Take a second to confirm it's the right customer, especially if you have similar names in your books. Choosing the right customer ensures the invoice links to their history and any open balances. Next, look at the invoice date. This is the date the invoice is created, and it drives reporting and terms. If you're backdating or invoicing ahead of time, adjust the date to match when the sale took place, or when you want the invoice to be recognized. Now confirm the due date. This should reflect your payment terms, like net 15 or net 30. If your terms are set up in the customer profile, QuickBooks will fill this automatically, but you can adjust it if needed to match your agreement for this invoice. In the Product or Service column, select the item you're billing for. Your list will show the products or services you've set up. Selecting an item helps keep your records consistent and can automatically pull in a default description and rate if you've set those up. If the item is billed by quantity, enter the quantity. If it's a flat fee service, you can leave quantity as 1 or as appropriate. Then confirm the rate and amount. QuickBooks may fill the rate from your item settings, but always double-check to make sure it's accurate for this customer and this job. Take a moment to review the total at the bottom of the invoice. This is the sum of everything on the invoice and should match what you expect to charge. If something looks off, recheck the item, quantity, and rate lines until the total is correct. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. You've created an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.